what we do here. Let's go back.
That red lip, they're in the
Lips, red bait, right?
There we go. Well, for this one, guys, me and Dad are heading out to the lake. This was before the tournament that we fished the other weekend ago. This was in preparation to see if we could figure anything out beforehand and see if we could get on a few, so we had some kind of idea what they were going to bite. The weather was real goofy around here, so the bite was getting tough, and not too many people were catching fish. So really wanted to go out and try to get a plan, and that's what this whole day was of, and us trying to figure out. So stay tuned, and here we go.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you.
So Dad starts out throwing a spinnerbait, and I start out throwing a single big Huddleston swim bait, just reeling them real slow along the bottom for the retrieves, bouncing off the rocks, trying to entice any reactions. A lot of times this early in the year, when the water's in the 40 to mid 40 degree temperatures, they're going to be hugging the bottom, especially around the rocks, to gain any bit of warmth. So we were trying to bounce off them and entice any reaction strikes. I was like, oh, that's tight. Just a rock. Come on, son. Come on out. Help us get some fishies. Both of us are throwing crankbaits now, and we're both throwing different colors to see and try to weed out what color they want better right now. Dad's throwing a demon crawl color, and I'm throwing a smash color in the Rapala DT16s. Reeling them along the bottom, real slow, just chugging them through the rocks, feeling out every rock as we go, trying to entice any reaction strikes. Damn.
Coming up. Right there.
Damn, that is a good one. That's easily a 5.
4 and something, 5. Yeah, there's some drops in there. Go to 4 and 4 and
Hey, go look at that fatty, guys. That's a good one. Come sideways once. I'll get us away from the shore quick.
Oh, figures. Goes off.
Okay.
In kilograms. How do you change it? There. 438.
444 actually.
Oh, okay.
There you go, that's a 444. Hold it up sideways once. Sideways. There we go.
Other sideways.
Dad got a gorgeous one. Now we're gonna pop her back and see if we can get another quick. goes. Oh, thought she was gonna jump for a second. Well, there's one off the crankbait. Where'd my rod go?
Right there.
Is that still out in the water? Why did they fall in? As far as we went. Really? That's funny. Yeah. This one you don't need that with. It's already got one.
I might win it too.
This is the deeper one.
Yeah, this is a this is a 16. The thing the last one, and I don't think I threw back over.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal.
Are you kidding? You got me too. You got me too.
Don't pull that up.
This is gonna be interesting. You got him hooked in the back. He definitely probably swiped at it.
That was weird.
Unless he
was just sitting there maybe and I snagged him.
I don't know, hard to say.
That was weird. Does that even count?
Yeah, I guess. Why not? Oh.
Another nice one. It's not real big. 3 pounder or something.
They're on a crankbait light. Yeah, red lips. It's got red lips. They're
Red
in the
lips,
crawls.
red bait, right?
Yeah.
See you later, buddy. I was like, did I snag you? And then it started like going all over the place.
Well, you did.
Sitting still.
I thought I had one too there for a second because I was like,
Then you were on me because
I was like, I got one too.
It ran through yours. Oh, look out.
And then I was like, oh wait, no. Yeah. I think so.
Never caught one in the back like that.
Yeah, that's weird. Unless I wonder if he bit mine, and when you were over me, you snagged him.
No, we didn't get snagged till he went your direction, and that's when we got together. I wasn't on you. I was like, hey, I'm not on you. And then a couple minutes later, like, oh, now I am.
Well, as soon as you said you got a fish, though, I thought I felt something. I don't know, that's just weird, though. Really odd.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.
Well, guys, that's pretty much going to conclude it for this one. I'm going to break it down for you all real quick here. And this day, like I said, really tough. Fish weren't cooperating at all. We got 2 good ones. Dad got 2 good ones off the crankbait. It took dredging these crankbaits through the rocks and pulling them along real slow to get a reaction out of the fish. Seemed to be the only thing that they would react to right now. And we were fishing a lot of riprap and stuff, just dragging them along real slow. And both these fish were buried in the rocks. I mean, buried in the rocks. So wasn't doing anything crazy special. video. Just hit 1 or 2 spots and caught those couple fish after work that day, and thought we at least figured out a decent amount for the tournament so that we could go out there and have some idea of what was going on. Knew it was probably going to change a little bit because the weather for the tournament was scheduled to be complete crap, and it sure ended up being, as most of you saw in last week's video. But that's pretty much all we did. Stay tuned for the next one. Please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to be doing another giveaway as soon as we hit 1,500 subscribers. So get entered into that by commenting, by being subscribed to the channel, by liking this video, and you can also get an extra entry by sharing one of these videos on one of your social media pages and tag me in it. If you don't tag me in it, I'm not going to know that you posted it. So tag me in it, and then you'll get another extra entry as well. But if y'all like this one, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for next Thursday, and we out of here.